Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the removal of medical aid rejection message. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on a data segment of the navigation wheel. The data screen will open. Type the ID, name or medical aid number of the debtor you want to search. For more information regarding the search for Debtor Search bar, please refer to the Debtor Search user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a relevant debtor. The Debtor Sidebar will open. For more information regarding the Debtor Sidebar, please refer to the Debtor Sidebar functionality user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Account Details button located on the Debtor Sidebar. The Account Details screen will open on All Transactions tab. Navigate to the Invoices tab. Double-click on the relevant invoice. For more information regarding medical aid responses, please refer to the WA Swift Response user manual linked in this video's description. The Actions tab will open. Click on a Rejection message button. The Edit Rejection message screen will open. To delete a specific rejection message line, click on the trash can button corresponding to that message. To delete all the rejection messages on the selected invoice, click on the Remove All button. The medical aid rejection message will be removed from the rejection message field. Click on the Cancel button to exit the Edit Rejection message screen without removing the medical aid rejection message. Click on the Save button to remove the medical aid rejection message and return to the Edit Rejection message screen.